Hey everybody, my name's Courtney and I'm here with Gloria, and today we're going to talk about our 460 homework.
Alright, so we want to prove that pi is 3.14 using Monte Carlo. So this is just going to be a general overview of the problem. This is a 1 by 1 square, and if we put a circle in it, that means that the total area of the square is 1 unit. It could be inches, it could be centimeters, and if the radius is 0.5, then that means that the area of the circle is 0.25 pi. So we don't know what pi is, right? So pi r square is the equation to the area of a circle, and r is 0.5, so it's pi times 0.5 squared, which is 0.25 pi, which is 1 over 4 pi. And so if we were to, as we discussed this in class, one way we could do it is scatter sand onto this square, and the number of grains of sand that fall inside the circle will be our inner count, and the total grains of sand will be the total count. And so if we just do basic algebra to isolate pi should equal 4 times the inner count over the total count.
Alright, so here's the MATLAB code that we used. We chose to do 10 million iterations randomly generating x and y coordinates on a 1 by 1 plot. They will be between negative 0.5 and 0.5, and if their distance from the origin is greater than the radius, which is 0.5, that means they do not fall in the circle and they will not be counted. As Gloria just mentioned, pi should be 4 times the proportion in the circle over the total area. The answer we got, it was 3.1411, which you can see right here. And now we're going to demonstrate it for you guys in MATLAB.
All right, here's the code that you saw in our slide previously. We're just going to run it. You can see pi is 3.1411. All right, thank you for watching. Have a great day.